What can we do to balance the increased demand from our clients to only consider local candidates while candidates have many remote options? John, how you probably have some insights into this. How would you respond to that?
I certainly deal with it enough, right? I think I would start by acknowledging the challenge, right? It's undeniable. A lot of our candidates continue to insist on remote work, even as our clients and even entire industries have gone back to working on site. But it's important we understand that it's the labor market driven by our clients that ultimately decide what percentage of work is and is not eligible for remote work scenarios. Many companies adapted during the pandemic by allowing people to have temporary work from home options. And most of those companies are now insisting that work come back into the office, at least in some hybrid framework, a certain number of days a week. As the market for remote workers continues to shrink, and that's legitimately what's going on, the decline in the number of these opportunities will force the change in candidate expectations as we start to move forward. So what do we do about it right now? Well, for our tech, work from office just needs to be treated like any other job qualification. No different from a required skill or the requirement to pass a background check. This is just one more qualifying parameter to be considered for the role that we're trying to fill. I mean, you'd never hesitate to tell a candidate they had to have several years of Java experience, for example. So why would we be more apologetic for the work location requirement that's part of these jobs? Now, I want to balance that by saying sales should still help the client see that there's an amazing talent pool available to them if they are able to relax on remote work. They will have many more candidates to choose from. But this is often a strategic decision they're making, where they're trying to regain control of the work teams and get better collaboration by returning to an office environment. And where that occurs, we should adamantly support those efforts and identify the candidates that are willing to comply.